How to buy Samsung phone with student discount. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Chrome application on your device. After you do that, on the search bar, just search for Samsung student discount over here. As you do that, here you can see the very first option over here. So just tap on Samsung Student Discounts Education Store. You generally have to sign up for the application or the profile over here. So what you can simply do over here is you can see the option of sign up over here. You can select your location and language over here as well. Next, what you can simply do is you can tap on sign in now. So if you do not have any account, you can sign up, and if you already have, you can tap on sign in now option. Then what you can do is you can see the current year rolled over here. You can see the option of join the Samsung. So we can see the option join the Samsung student offers program to enjoy additional 5% off your first purchase option. So just tap on sign up over here, and as you do that, it will lead you to a new page over here. So just wait until it loads. And as it loads over here, it welcomes you to this Samsung partnership program where you can sign in with Samsung. And if you do not have an account, you can just tap on sign up here and you'll be able to sign up with a Samsung account. So make sure that you have a Samsung account, because in order to get the Samsung phone with student discount, you need to have a Samsung student ID as well. Then just tap on sign in and then tap on sign up, and then you just have to tap on sign in with Samsung, and then here mention your email ID and then tap on next, and then you just have to mention your login credentials and provide information about your education information, and then you'll be able to apply for Samsung phone and get that with your student discount. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.